Seedance 2.0, Veo 3.1 and Kling can all make some crazy looking AI videos. But what happens when we actually give them the exact same text to video test? I'm using VisualGPT AI for the workflow, then I'm giving all three generators the same text prompts and putting them through the exact same creative challenges. We're testing realistic people, cinematic movement, and action. And the interesting part, one tool looks amazing in one test, but falls behind in another. So let's put the results side by side and see which one I'd actually use.
Guys, this is the AI tool I want us to use. Seedance 2.0, Google Veo 3, Kling AI, and also Kling AI. We are going to be testing these AI models here right now to know which AI give you best results in terms of video generation. A lot of people have been asking me this question to tell them the AI tool or show them the AI tools, which one is the best for video generation. So we are going to be using this AI tool to test those AI models to see which one is the best video generation using the same prompt. So all you need to do is to head over to the description of this video or the comment section of this video. You are going to see a link there. Then you click on the link and it will bring you to the interface of this platform. Just register on this platform, and after you register on this platform, you come to the where it says AI video generation. You can do a lot of things in this platform like AI video ask generator. If you want to generate video ask, or you want to also generate images or a room planner, I'll also make videos about that. But right now we want to test these AI models, so we come to AI video generation, and after coming to AI video generation, we are going to bring us to an interface like this. Now, the first AI I want us to test is Seedance 2.0. As you can see, Seedance 2.0 here. So we are using Seedance 2.0, this first one here. Now, after we click on it, we select the AI model, and the next thing, if you want to upload your image, you can upload image right now, but we want to use prompt, just a text to video. So the next thing we are going to do is to paste our prompt here. After pasting our prompt here, this is the prompt I want us to use. This is the same prompt we are going to use to generate the videos we are going to test those AI model with. Now, after putting the prompt, we click on, we turn on the sound, and after we turn on the sound, we click our aspect ratio, 16:9, and our duration. We can decide to increase it up to 50 seconds, but right now, I don't want us to increase it like that. I want us to test it on 8 seconds first. 8-second video. So let's test it in 8-second video and bring it to 8-second video. We select our video quality. Let's put it in 720p, or we can decide to put it in 1080p. But right now, let's put it in 720p so that we are going to compare it with other AI tools. But you can generate video up to 4K, as you can see it here. Up to 4K here, as you can see. Now let's put it in 720p or 1080p. 720p is okay, just for a video generation to test the AI model. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to click on generate. Now, when you click on generate, it's going to start generating your video here, as you can see, and it says ready in 4 to 8 minutes. So we have to wait for some minutes and our video is going to be generated. So let's just give you some minutes and it's going to generate our video, and you guys are going to see how the result is going to look like. So let's wait for some minutes, and after I generate the video, we are going to use the same prompt to test other AI model like Kling AI, Veo 3, there's Veo 3, Kling AI. We are going to use the same AI, the same prompt to test those AI model. Right now, our video is almost ready. As you can see, our video is almost ready. So let's wait for the video to be ready, and I'm going to show you guys the result. Now, finally, the video is ready here. As you can see, this is the video. So this is the video we just generate right now using Seedance 2.0. So let's click on it and play it. This is the video here. Let me play the video. Now, that is the video that you just watched right now, the one we generated with Seedance 2.0. Now, I want us to test another AI tool. This time we are going to be testing Kling AI. Let's test Kling AI. Kling AI. Now, let's click on it. Now, we are going to use the same prompt. As you can see, the same prompt. All we need to change is just the time duration. You can also generate up to 50 seconds using Kling. So right now we are generating with 8 seconds and 720p. The same thing, and we click on generate. So now let's download this one. This one is downloading right now, and we are generating new one. This is the one we are generating right now. So by the end of this video, I'm going to play everything for you guys again so that you are going to see it. So let's wait for it so that it's going to generate this one, and we are going to compare the result. We are going to compare all the videos we generate. We are going to compare each one. We are going to compare all the results together. So let's wait for the video to generate. Now, finally, this is our result. Also, this is the one we generate right now with Grok AI. So let's play the video in full so that you guys are going to see the video. So let me play the video. Now, that is the video I just played right now. So don't worry, we are going to compare it together. So let's download it. We are going to compare everything after we generate all the videos. I don't want to waste much of your time. So now let's move back, and right now let's change our AI model to Veo 3. So let's try Veo 3. As you can see, Veo 3 first. So we are using Veo 3, the same prompt, the same everything. All we need to change is just the second, and also our video quality should be 720p. So the next thing, we click on generate also. So right now it's generating the video. So let's wait for it. This is the one we generate. As you can see, this one is from Seedance 2.0. If you look at the person itself, as you can see how this guy look like. Now this is what Grok AI gave to us. Now we are using Veo 3 is still generating the video. So let's wait for the result. Now using Veo 3, this is what we got. Let's play the video. This one is from Veo 3. Now you guys have seen the video. That is the video you just watched right now. So now let's move to Kling AI. We are using Kling AI right now. Kling AI. Now this is Kling AI. So on Kling AI, you can do start to frame, end to frame, all these things you can do it. Now our duration also 8 seconds. We are testing 8 seconds so that we are going to see our result. You can also increase it up to 15 seconds. Now 720p, the same thing, and we click on generate. So we are testing 4 different AI models. Now it's generating the video right now up here. As you can see, this is the video. Now the first one we generate, this one is from Seedance 2.0. This one is from Grok AI. This one is from Veo 3, and the next one is from Kling AI. Now let's wait for the result, and after the result we are going to compare the videos together and see which one is the best, which one have the best result, so that for some of you asking me, now this one did not generate the video, it failed. As you can see, it failed, so we have to regenerate it again. So for those of you asking me, you want to generate video with Kling AI, which AI, Grok AI, you don't know the AI tool you are going to use. After, by the end of this video, you are going to know the AI that will work for you. So this one is not generating the video. I think it's from the prompt. As you can see, this one is also giving us headache already. So it's asking us the prompt. As you can see, create a Kling AI predict fail code. So I don't understand all these things right here, but it's asking us the prompt has some issue. So you know, Kling AI have some policy and some things. So we have to adjust our prompt. So we have to readjust our prompt. Then after we adjust our prompt, we click on generate, so that we are going to see how it works. But right now, I just want us to review the 3 that we have generated so far. This one that we have generated so far. Now let's check the one we generated with Seedance 2.0. Let's play it again and see how the result look like.
This one looks seriously real. I've tested a lot of AI video tools, but this one looks seriously real.
Now, as you can see, the perfect lip syncing, how the guy was talking, everything was following the video. Everything was following the video. So let's play it again.
I've tested a lot of AI video tools, but this one looks seriously real.
Now, this is created by Seedance 2.0. Now, let's go back to Grok AI. This is Grok AI. Let's play it.
I've tested a lot of AI video tools, but this one looks seriously real. I've tested a lot of AI video tools, but this one looks seriously real.
Now, when you look at the lip sync, and the background, people on the background, they look boring. Unlike this one that people were realistic, everything was realistic. Let me play it again. As you can see, these people, everything was looking realistic.
A lot of AI video tools, but this one looks
and even the lip sync was much perfect than this one here.
I've tested
than this one here, as you can see. Let's play it.
I've tested a lot of AI video tools, but this one looks seriously real.
Okay, now let's check Veo 3. This is Veo 3.
Seriously real. I've tested a lot of AI video tools, but this one looks seriously real. I've tested a lot of AI video tools, but this one looks seriously real.
Now, as you can see, the three results we have already. I'm going to regenerate this one before the end of this video. But looking at these three results, Seedance 2.0, Grok AI, and Veo 3, which one do you think is the best? Which one is your own best? Looking at the characters, everything, how realistic they are, and looking at our prompt, how we prompt the video, so you can test it out. All you just need to do is you can go to this AI tool, and it will give you access to multiple AI tools, as you can see. So you can get also access to Seedance 2.5, Minimas AI, as you can see, Happy Us, and a lot of AI tools, even Omni AI. You are going to get access to every AI tool you are looking for on this platform. So we just test out these platforms right now, these AI models right now. Let me know in the comment section of this video which one is the best and which one do you think can work for you with the type of video you want to create. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on our